Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to add custom button to your Shopify product page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to learn how to customize design or development Shopify online store without hiring any developer, any coding experience, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share everything in a step-by-step way, and you can do it without write any single code. Also, these tutorials will be helpful if you wanted to start make money as a Shopify expert from online by providing your Shopify services. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to scroll down, open a product. For example, going to open this one, and here is the product page. We wanted to add a custom button in here in the product page. Okay, to do this, first we have to log in our Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify online store admin panel. Then click online store, then click customize, scroll down, then click on this product to open it. Okay, you see, and now we wanted to add custom button in this product page. To do this, we have to click on the add block plus icon, select custom liquid, and simply add ready code snippet. Here is the ready code snippet custom button 3D. That's mean I have added a button with 3D option or 3D design. I have copied this code snippet, paste in here. You see, make an inquiry button, or you can change your URL from here. You can add any URL, or by default I keep it hash link. Then you can change the text from here, custom button. Okay, you see, or we can make it contact now. You see, it's fully responsive and added 3D effect with color gradient, also hover effect, you see. And finally you have to click on the save and go back the product page. Wow, it's working. Also, if you want to change the position, for example, move it on the above the share button. Here is the share, you see, and you can see that there is a payment icon button. We have already published an article with ready code snippet, and you can see that payment icon on the product page. I have already published an article in my YouTube channel how to add payment icon in the product page, so you can learn it by check my YouTube channel. Okay, so you see we can move this contact button anywhere. Also, if you want to change the color, then simply we can change the color from here. For example, we can change the background color green. For now, just remove the hashtag, you see, or we can make it yellow. You see, we can change the color from here. Also, you can change the background color from here. Here is the color gradient. Anything is customizable, very simple, but you can easily use this ready code snippet. And now the question is that how you will get the ready code snippet. Just check out the link in the video description, then you will find the ready code snippet link, and from where you can copy the code and add it on your Shopify online store and get the final result. Also, if you need any more support or more unique suggestion or support, then you can comment on the below of this video. You can join my YouTube channel membership, you can join my Facebook group, WhatsApp group, or you can connect with me by WhatsApp, email, or anywhere. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress, or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.